Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the voicemail on your iPhone. If you have just inserted a new SIM, switched the carriers and never configured the voicemail before, this quick guide will walk you through the steps. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open the phone application on your iPhone. It is going to look something like this. Over here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, we have the option of voicemail. So when you tap on this option, you will be landed here on this page. Now, if voicemail is not set up yet, you will see the button of set up voicemail. So when you tap on that option, you just have to basically start creating a voicemail password. This password is going to protect your messages. So you need to choose something that you will remember. Then simply tap on the option of done and confirm the password. After that, you will be asked to choose your greeting. So you can either select default if you want the standard carrier greetings, or you can tap on the option of custom in order to record your own message. If you choose the option of custom, you just have to tap on the option of record, start speaking your greeting, and then tap on the option of stop. So you can preview it and then you can save it when you are happy with it. And that's it, your voicemail is now active. So as you can see, I have the voicemail available and the calling option is showing to me, and that's it, your voicemail is now active. But as you can see in my iPhone, the setup now option is not showing. So if you also don't see the setup now option over here when you tap on it, it simply means that your carrier may not have voicemail enabled yet. In this case, you just have to contact to your mobile provider. Also make sure that you are using the latest version of your iPhone device or you are on the latest iOS version. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.